morning, third grade. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about the math lesson that you're going to be working on over the next couple days. And this math lesson has to do with mixed numbers. So you might ask yourself, just what is a mixed number? Well, we've already worked with whole numbers and we've also worked with fractions. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. So let's take a look at the paper for today and see what you're going to be working on. All right, so here we are looking at your book, and it's titled here, Mixed Numbers. It says, a number which combines a whole number and a fraction is a mixed number. The number 2.5 is greater than 2, but less than 3. So we've got our whole number 2, we've got two whole circles shaded in here, and then our fraction here, 1/2 of the circle shaded together. And when we combine these two wholes with our fraction 1/2, we get the mixed number 2.5. So your math paper today says here, write the mixed number for these figures. So let's start here with the purple circles. How many whole circles are completely shaded in? That's right, 2. How much of the final circle is shaded in, or what fraction of the final circle is shaded in? That's right, 2/3. So our mixed number would be 2 and 2/3. We've got two whole circles shaded in and 2/3 of this final circle shaded in. All right, let's look at these red squares. How many whole squares are shaded red? What's our whole number? That's right. There are 3 whole squares shaded red. And what fraction of this final square is shaded red? That's right, 1/4. So our mixed number here would be 3 and 1/4. 3 wholes and a fraction of 1/4 to make the mixed number 3 and 1/4. Okay, let's look at these pentagons here, these green pentagons. How many whole pentagons are shaded green? That's right, 2 whole pentagons are shaded green. And how much of this final pentagon is shaded green? That's right, 3/5. So our mixed number for these pentagons would be 2 for our 2 wholes and 3/5 for our fraction part. That would be our mixed number. Then finally, the yellow rectangles. How many whole yellow rectangles are shaded? That's right, 1. And what fraction of this final rectangle is shaded yellow? Gotta count it out. They're kind of small and skinny, but we got 3, 6, 7. 7/10. So our mixed number here would be 1 whole and 7/10 for a fraction. That would be our mixed number. The next part of your math paper wants you to mark the bubble or the circle under the mixed numbers. So which of these are mixed numbers? That's right, 5.5 is a mixed number. 6.5 is a mixed number. 3 and 1/4 is a mixed number. And 15 and 2/7 is a mixed number. 7 and 9 are not mixed numbers because they're just whole numbers without a fraction. 3/4, 7/8, and 12/17 are not mixed numbers because they're just fractions. In order for it to be a mixed number, you need a whole number and a fraction. Let's practice a few more now. All right, now third grade that we've looked at your math paper and seen just what we're working on today with mixed numbers and what a mixed number is. Now I would like to write out some mixed numbers for you on my whiteboard and have you tell me just what they are. So to start off with, I'm going to draw several circles. And I'm going to shade in a certain amount, and you need to tell me what mixed number I'm showing you. So what mixed number have I drawn in here? Think about how many wholes you have and then what fraction you have. That's right, we have 2 wholes, so our whole number part is 2, and our fraction is 1/2. So I have drawn here for you the mixed number 2 and 1/2. All right, let's do another one. I'm going to do some more circles down here. Shade in several of them. What mixed number have I drawn down here now? That's right. We have the mixed number 4 and 3/4. I have 4 for my whole number part because I've got 4 whole circles shaded in. And then I have 3/4 for my fraction part of my mixed number because I have 3/4 of this final circle shaded in. Remember, a mixed number has to have both a whole number and a fraction part. So you find how many wholes you have, that's your whole number, and then you find what your fraction is of the leftovers, and that would be the fraction part of your number to make a complete mixed number. Have fun as you're working on it.